Welcome to Best Picks Lab. The Best Mechanic seat is probably one of the most essential tools for any automotive enthusiast or professional mechanic, offering a comfortable and mobile platform to work on vehicles for extended periods. This isn't just about sitting, it's about enhancing your efficiency, reducing physical strain, and ensuring you can tackle those intricate repairs and maintenance tasks with greater ease and precision. Whether you're performing routine oil changes, deep engine diagnostics, or complex undercarriage work, the right mechanic seat can transform your workspace from a physically demanding chore into a more ergonomic and productive experience, allowing you to focus on the job at hand without the distraction of discomfort. Number 5. Torin TR6300 Red Rolling Creeper Garage Shop Seat. Introducing a rolling creeper seat designed for ultimate comfort in your garage or workshop. Now you can tackle any project with ease. Experience superior comfort with its soft, fully padded seat. It provides ample cushioning, perfect for working on your car, truck, or any vehicle. Keep your essential tools and equipment conveniently close. The large, segmented tool tray ensures everything you need is always within quick reach. Constructed with heavy-duty tubular steel, this seat offers exceptional stability and long-term durability. It's built to support up to 250 pounds. Effortlessly move around your workspace thanks to the four 360-degree swivel casters. They provide smooth and precise movements for any task. Enjoy peace of mind with the included limited 1-year manufacturer warranty. We stand behind the quality and reliability of this essential garage tool. What we like. This rolling creeper seat offers a comfortable, padded experience for long work sessions. Its segmented tool tray keeps your essentials close at hand. If you prioritize comfort and easy access to your tools while working on your vehicle, this is a solid choice for your garage. What people say. This mechanic seat is very comfortable and easy to move around. The storage tray is a great feature for keeping tools handy. It's sturdy and well-built, making it a reliable addition to my garage. Number 4. 73011T Rolling Mechanic Seat. Experience maximum comfort with our mechanic seat, featuring thick, multi-layered padding. It's designed to protect you while you work, ensuring a comfortable experience. Navigate your workspace with ease. Its 4 ball-bearing swivel casters allow for smooth movement in any direction, making it simple to get to where you need to be. Keep your essentials close at hand. The spacious storage tray provides ample room for organizing screws, bolts, and your favorite tools, so everything is within reach. Built to last, it can support up to 250 pounds of evenly distributed weight. This sturdy construction ensures reliability for demanding tasks. We stand behind our product with a 2-year warranty. Enjoy your purchase with the confidence that it's backed by our commitment to quality. What we like. Enjoy maximum comfort with its thick, vinyl-protected padding and effortless maneuverability thanks to the ball-bearing casters. The generous storage tray helps keep your workspace organized. If you're looking for a comfortable and mobile seating solution with good storage, this option is worth considering. What people say. The seat is comfortable and supportive, making long work sessions much easier. The adjustable height and swivel features are very convenient for different tasks. The sturdy construction and smooth rolling casters provide excellent mobility and stability. Number 3. Torin TR6350 Rolling Pneumatic Creeper Garage Shop Seat. Introducing the ultimate garage and shop seat. This rolling pneumatic creeper allows you to work on your vehicles in complete comfort, whether it's a car, truck, or SUV. It features a soft, fully padded vinyl seat that provides excellent cushioning. You'll appreciate the comfort during long working sessions. Never search for your tools again. The large, segmented tool tray keeps everything you need conveniently close by. Constructed with heavy-duty steel, this stool is built for durability and supports up to 250 pounds. Adjust the seat height easily with a simple lever. Effortlessly move around your workspace thanks to the 4 360-degree swivel casters. They ensure smooth and precise movements. We stand by our product with a limited 1-year manufacturer warranty. Enjoy peace of mind with your purchase. What we like. This pneumatic creeper stool provides adjustable height for personalized comfort during your tasks. The padded vinyl seat ensures a comfortable working position, and the integrated tool tray keeps your gear accessible. If you need a seat that can adapt to different working heights and offers a comfortable place to sit, this is an excellent option. What people say. The seat is comfortable for long periods of use. It rolls smoothly on concrete and asphalt surfaces. The built-in tool tray is very convenient for keeping frequently used items within reach. Number 2. KROAK 36 2-in-1 creeper seat. Effortlessly switch between a creeper and a stool. Slide under your vehicle with ease or work at a low level comfortably, saving your back and knees. Navigate any space with confidence thanks to 6 universal wheels. They offer smooth, 360-degree movement on various surfaces, making your work more efficient. Built with a sturdy steel frame, it supports up to 330 pounds. You can rely on its stability, whether you're using it as a creeper or a seat. Enjoy a comfortable work experience with high-quality padding. The water and oil-resistant surface makes cleaning up spills a breeze, keeping your clothes clean. Its 36-inch size provides ample workspace. It's perfect for your garage, workshop, or any auto repair needs, offering convenience and functionality. What we like. Experience ultimate versatility with its 2-in-1 design, easily switching between a creeper and a seat. The 6 smooth rolling wheels offer exceptional maneuverability, and it boasts a high weight capacity. If you need a flexible tool that can handle both lying down and sitting tasks, and you value ease of movement on various surfaces, this is the one for you. What people say. The seat is comfortable and supportive, even during long work sessions. The adjustable height and swivel features make it easy to position the seat for optimal comfort and accessibility. The sturdy construction and durable materials ensure this seat will last for years to come. Number 1. YITAHOME Mechanic Stool 330 pounds with wheels. Introducing our Mechanic Roller Seat, designed for ultimate comfort during your tasks. It features a spacious, non-slip seat with a robust 330 pounds capacity, perfect for any job. Keep your essentials organized with its ample storage. It includes removable trays and a sliding drawer, plus convenient holders for tools and cups. Navigate your workspace with ease thanks to the 360-degree swivel. The stable casters lock in place, ensuring it stays put when you need it to. Constructed with durable materials and an extra-large wheelbase, this seat offers exceptional stability. It's built to withstand daily use and rolls smoothly over various surfaces. Ideal for a wide range of applications, from DIY projects to professional auto repair. It's an indispensable tool for garages, workshops, and home use. What we like. This mechanic stool is designed for ergonomic comfort with a spacious, non-slip seat and convenient removable trays for ample storage. The locking casters provide stability when you need it. If you're looking for a comfortable, stable, and well-organized seating solution for detailed automotive work, this heavy-duty option is a great fit. What people say. The seat is comfortable and adjustable, making it easy to find the right position for working on my car. It rolls smoothly on the garage floor, so I can move around easily without having to get up. The built-in tool tray is a great feature, keeping my wrenches and sockets within easy reach. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.